What happens if mother and fetus has different blood types? Well, quite interesting question. I was wondering that previously today. So basically what happens is the mother's immune system attacks the fetus's red blood cells, and the red blood cells in the fetus gets destroyed. This could mostly lead to anemia and jaundice. Anemia could have low red blood cells or hemoglobin, which carries oxygen. Well, common symptoms of these are fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. And the jaundice can cause bilirubin, which is caused by broken down red cells. These symptoms are usually yellow skin and eyes. It's really common, but sometimes it can cause brain damage.